We're gonna change the battery on this Toyota key fob. If you look right here, you have this gap, and then you can insert a flathead screwdriver here and just move that up so you can separate the two parts of the key fob. And then right here on the corner, you can just remove the old battery. Right there, you gotta be careful though, because we don't want to damage that circuit board. And when you take the new battery, the plus sign is going to face up. You're going to press it here and then push it down. But one note before you do that, this whole circuit board might come out when you do this job. So if this does happen, you can't really, it's hard to put that in like that. What you want to do is you replace this rubber piece right there. Then you put the circuit board in it. Make sure it's fitting properly in this. Okay, so now that's fitting perfectly on that case, and you push the whole case in. Alright, and then you can go ahead and put the battery in. And with the battery, you can do that. You want to push there first and then push back on this side. So don't put it in on this side, put it in on that side first and then push down on here. Then you take the back here, and it should close pretty easily. Don't push on the buttons here, push on the case. It should close fairly easy. If it's not, something is wrong, so open it up and double check. So that's it.